Many people have this question in their minds. Why acne occurs? How or what is the reason? So friends, watch this video to know all these things. Here we will answer 10 questions that are very important to know, and please share it with your friends or relatives who need it. So let us answer your questions. Question 1. Can you catch acne from other people? Well, while certain types of acne do contain a bacterium, it is located in the hair follicles under your skin and cannot be transmitted through contact. So no, touching or kissing someone with acne will not cause you to develop acne. If both my parents had acne, does that mean I will develop acne? So studies show that heredity does play an important role in determining who develops acne. So children of parents who had or have acne are at a greater risk than others. It should be noted that as with any disease, just because you have a family history, does not guarantee you will get it, only that you have a much great chance than someone with no family history. Does eating or drinking certain foods cause acne? Over the years, studies have suggested everything from chocolate, candy, fried foods, sugar, drinking water, orange juice to milk can cause you to develop acne or make existing acne worse. However, there is no scientific evidence to support any such results. There are so many factors affecting acne development that it is very difficult to isolate any one cause. So whether or not to avoid certain foods or drinks is really just an individual preference. If you find your skin reacts negatively to certain foods, then just don't eat or drink it. Does dirt on my skin cause acne? Having proper hygiene will help with healthy skin. However, dirty skin will not cause acne, but anybody with acne should be extra vigilant in having a good cleansing routine. Overwashing can irritate your skin and make it more vulnerable to infection. Washing with a gentle cleanser will help reduce skin cell buildup and keep your skin looking at its best. So find a balance and try not to overwash. Does stress cause acne? Stress has been shown to make acne worse, not directly cause it. So if you suffer from acne, you should be aware of how you react under stress and develop ways to help manage and keep it under control. This will not only help with controlling your acne but also benefit your overall health. Can you develop acne once you are out of your teens? The simple answer is yes. In fact, many people who never experienced acne as a teen can develop it in their 30s, 40s, and 50s. Does makeup or sunscreen make acne worse? Certain products that are overly greasy and thick can plug the skin's follicles, leading to the development of acne. Not all products affect everyone the same way, so while you many develop acne using one product, someone else may not. If you are prone to acne, you will need to be extra careful with what you put on your skin. Try to always use oil-free products and also test a small amount on a patch of skin for a few days before using it all over. Will exercising affect my acne? While it is still unclear why this happens, vigorous exercising that causes your body to heat up and sweat does seem to cause acne to get worse for certain people. One theory is that exercise increases the production of sebum, the oil that when too much is produced can lead to acne. Can a facial help with acne? There is no easy way to answer this question. The term facial is used to describe everything from an over-the-counter product you buy from a drugstore and do it yourself to something done at an expensive spa for hundreds of dollars. The bottom line is anything that might irritate your skin can make your acne worse. Why does my acne stop responding to my current treatment? Acne medication, like all medications, can become less effective over time as your body builds a resistance to them. It might be necessary to use acne treatment regimens on a rotational basis for optimum effectiveness. Subscribe, press the bell icon so you will know when I am online. Peace.